Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a solar charger for camping, maintaining your vehicle's battery, or just having a reliable power source, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the POWOXI upgraded 7.5-watt solar battery trickle charger. This compact yet effective solar panel is designed to maintain and charge your 12V batteries, making it an excellent choice for cars, motorcycles, boats, and other small vehicles. With a high conversion efficiency of 25 to 30%, it ensures you get the most out of the sunlight it captures. The built-in intelligent charge controller protects your battery from overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits, which is a big win for safety-conscious users. In terms of design, the POWOXI features a robust ABS PC frame that's scratch-resistant and more durable than traditional aluminum frames. This means you can use it without worrying about damaging your car paint. The panel is also equipped with high-strength tempered glass, making it weather-resistant and capable of withstanding impacts. At just 2.2 pounds, it's lightweight and portable enough to carry around wherever you need it. While this charger is ideal for battery maintenance, its 7.5-watt power output may not be sufficient for larger power needs. However, it's a great value for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's battery during extended periods of non-use. The LED indicator keeps you informed about charging status, which is a nice touch. Pros include its affordability, high efficiency, and durable design. On the downside, it's not ideal for larger-scale charging or powering multiple devices. Overall, it's a solid choice for basic battery maintenance and portable use. Coming in at number 4 is the BigBlue 3 USB ports 28-watt solar charger. This solar charger is a fantastic option for those who need reliable charging on the go. With its 3 USB ports, including 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, it can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Its high conversion efficiency of 25.4% ensures that you're getting the most out of the sunlight, even in low-light conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need to charge smartphones, tablets, and other small electronic devices during camping trips or emergencies. One of the standout features of the BigBlue is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing just 1.5 pounds and folding down to a compact size, it's easy to carry in a backpack. While the IP44 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand light rain and fog, the USB junction box is not waterproof, so you'll need to handle it with care in wet conditions. The absence of a built-in battery means it cannot store power, so it must be used in direct sunlight, which may limit its versatility for nighttime charging. The BigBlue is a great value for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who need a lightweight, portable option for charging multiple devices. Its pros include high efficiency, multi-device charging capability, and a compact design. On the downside, it lacks a built-in battery and has limited water resistance around the USB box. If you need a lightweight, high-performance solar charger for outdoor use, the BigBlue is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the SOLPERK 30-watt portable foldable solar charger. This charger is designed to meet the needs of campers, hikers, and outdoor adventurers who require a reliable and portable charging solution. With a high energy conversion efficiency of 23%, it ensures quick and effective charging for your devices. The dual USB-A and USB-C outputs provide up to 15 watts of power, which is sufficient for charging smartphones, power banks, and other small electronics. The design of the SOLPERK is lightweight and compact, folding down to the size of a book and weighing just 2.4 pounds. This makes it a perfect addition to your backpack for outdoor trips. It also comes with an IPX5 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about light rain damaging the panel. The built-in smart chip protects your devices from overcharging and short circuits, ensuring safe and efficient charging. However, like many portable chargers, its performance can vary based on environmental factors, such as sunlight angle and cloud cover. The SOLPERK offers great value for outdoor enthusiasts, thanks to its portability, efficiency, and safety features. Its pros include its lightweight design, dual USB outputs, and water resistance. On the downside, its maximum output is limited to 30 watts, which may not be enough for larger devices or heavy users. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient choice for outdoor adventures. In second place, we have the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. This solar charger is a versatile and durable option for maintaining 12-volt batteries. With a high conversion efficiency of 21 to 30%, it's capable of keeping your batteries charged for vehicles such as boats, RVs, and motorcycles. Its smart charge controller ensures safe and efficient charging, protecting your battery from overcharging and short circuits. The included 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket makes it easy to optimize the panel's angle for maximum sunlight exposure. The build quality of the SOLPERK is impressive, featuring a low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. These materials make it waterproof and rust-proof, allowing it to withstand extreme weather conditions like sandstorms, blizzards, and hail. The panel is lightweight at just 3 pounds, and its plug-and-play design simplifies installation, making it a user-friendly option for a variety of applications. The SOLPERK is ideal for users who need a durable and efficient solution for battery maintenance. Its pros include its high efficiency, robust build quality, and user-friendly design. On the downside, it may not be the best option for charging multiple devices simultaneously. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solar charger for 12-volt battery maintenance, the SOLPERK is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the VoltSet Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. This solar charger is a standout option for its advanced features and impressive build quality. With an IP67-rated PWM controller, it's designed to operate reliably in extreme weather conditions, from -30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. The smart 3-stage charging system increases efficiency by 18%, while the 360-degree adjustable aluminum bracket allows for precise sun tracking to maximize energy absorption. The VoltSet is built to last, featuring a monocrystalline silicon panel with a tempered glass surface and an aluminum frame. It's designed to withstand heavy snow loads, strong winds, and other challenging conditions. The collapsible design reduces storage space, making it convenient for transportation and storage. It also includes all the necessary accessories, such as alligator clips and O-rings, for plug-and-play installation. The VoltSet's combination of durability, efficiency, and user-friendly features makes it the ultimate choice for maintaining 12V batteries in cars, RVs, boats, and more. Its pros include its advanced charging technology, robust build quality, and versatile design. On the downside, its higher price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the VoltSet is a premium option that delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.